beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. In today's video, I'm going to review these two beauty blender and they are by Instylish, and these two were sent to me by this company, and I will list their website link below in the description box, and everything about this product will be below in the description box. Do check it out. And this is a website where they sell lots of beauty blenders, and these two comes in a set of two and they are literally very cheap, and like they have other varieties there too, so do check them out. I think they are good. I haven't tried it yet, so we will try it together soon. And okay, at the back it says how to use this. So it says here, clean the sponge with water before the first use, squeeze water out with palm to avoid nail scratching and pulling, twisting and fracture, and also please wash the product by professional cleaner. And also it says here like you can use this product for 30 days, one blender, so like depends on how much you use. Okay, this is really small, and let's wet this up in water to see if it gets big. Yeah, this is really soft and it's getting softer as the water goes in. Wow, and it's getting big. You have to squeeze all the water out. Wow, I love it. Okay, just look at them. Like this one is not wet and this one is wet, so it is big. Oh my gosh, look at it. So when you wet them, it will definitely get big like this, and oh my gosh, I love it. If you want to see how I created this look and which products I have used to create this simple summer look, then keep on watching. Okay, I've done my eyebrows, so now let's go and apply the foundation with this blender. And I will first be priming my face with this NYX Popular primer. Like this is my natural hair. I haven't done anything to my hair today. Just washed it yesterday and like it's literally very messy. So now I will be just applying this Morphe's Fluidity foundation. This one is in shade F3 30. So yeah, I will just take a little bit of this product and apply like this. Let's see how it applies the first coat. So I will be applying like from this side. Oh yeah, this blends really well. Oh my gosh, I have applied little bit of foundation and like it spreads really well with this blender. It's all on my face, like it hasn't soaked any product. That's how I can see, and like I will definitely recommend you guys trying this. And like literally this is so soft. It's just like that Morphe's blender beauty sponge I am using, and that Real Techniques blender I am using. This is literally same, and this is literally very cheap. I have just applied one coat of this foundation, and like I will leave it like this just because it's really very hot today and I don't want to wear much of the makeup. I have applied sunscreen moisturizer underneath and also that pore filler primer. So now I will be just applying a little bit of concealer, and I will blend with the same blender, and this is Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. And I will blend from this side. Oh my gosh, literally this is so good. I haven't tried any beauty blender which is this cheap and works so good. And now I will be applying this Ofra's banana powder, and I will apply on the places I have applied the concealer. So I am doing a very soft summer makeup look. So now I will be using this Wet n Wild's Photo Focus powder, pressed powder, and this one is in shade Warm Beige. I will apply this on rest of my face. I don't like to wear much makeup these days, because when we go out the makeup starts to melt, so like I want to keep it as natural and simple. So I will take the same powder, this Photo Focus, and with a small brush I will just dab and I will apply on all over my eyelid so that like the powder goes on the lid properly. Now I will be taking a kajal pencil, and this one is a Master Kajal by Maybelline, and this one is in color blue, and literally one of my favorite one is this one. Like my mirror is far away, but I can still apply. So now I will be taking a pencil brush. This is by Zoeva. They are 230 pencil brush, and I will like blend, smudge both up and down part. And okay, let me use this mirror. Okay, now I am taking a black liner by Makeup Revolution, and this is only one, I think. Yeah. So this one is their retractable liner pen, and this is I Love Revolution, and comes with 4 shades. So I will be using the black one. I will be applying this very close to the lashes. Just like this, and also on the waterline. So it's first day of summer today. It's 1st of December. It's so hot, and like I am in love with this coverage of the foundation, and like I think the blender did its job really well. And for the mascara today, I will be using this Model Co's Power Lash Black Mascara. I have tried this once, and like literally it's so good. This mascara I got in my Bella box like last month in November. I think I showed you guys. So for the blush, I'm using this Tarte First Class blush, and it's such a cool peach or peach nude kind of shade. this is it. And I am not applying any highlighter just because it's really very hot and it's a simple summer makeup, so I am just keeping it this simple. I will be applying this lip liner by Wet n Wild. This is Brandy Wine, and this lipstick, it's a soft matte lip cream by NYX, and this one is in shade Canes. I will set all this makeup up with this Revolution Pro Supreme Hold Finishing Spray. Like literally, I haven't tried this product yet. If you guys have seen my birthday haul video, my girls bought me this, so I'm trying this for the first time, so let's see. This is it. Very simple summer makeup look, and I always wear this kind of look these days because it's very hot, and this beauty blender is worth trying, so do try. This is very affordable and it does its job really well, just like Morphe's beauty blender, Real Techniques beauty blender. When you press the foundation with this blender, like literally it's so soft, it just bounces on your skin really well, and like it feels so good. I do like Morphe's beauty blender a lot and Real Techniques, and this is one of them. Like, its name is Instylish, but it does its job really like Morphe and Real Techniques beauty blender I have used. So like, you will definitely love it. Do use my 10% off code to get an extra 10% off. Like, this is really cheap and you can get an extra 10% off too, and there are lots of varieties there on their website. Do check it out. They have real shapes and sizes of these blenders, and like sponges, and like lots more. You can go check it out. I will leave the link below in the description box. And like, this is the final summer makeup look, and like I will definitely tie my hair. Okay, this is it. I hope you liked it. Do subscribe, like, comment and share my video with your families and friends, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.